Looking for a stock pot that can handle big meals without breaking a sweat? The IMUSA stainless steel stock pot delivers exactly that: durability, versatility, and an elegant design all wrapped into one. Whether you're simmering a hearty stew, boiling corn on the cob, or preparing lobster for a family feast, this pot makes cooking large batches easier and more enjoyable. What sets this stock pot apart is its construction. Made entirely of stainless steel right in India, it offers fast, even heating to ensure your dishes cook consistently every time. The shiny exterior and interior don't just look great, they brighten up your kitchen with a touch of sophistication. Plus, the double-sided metal handles make moving the pot simple and safe, even when it's full. The matching lid locks in flavor and moisture, so your soups and stocks come out rich and delicious. I started using this pot for water canning recently and found it to be just the right size. It's lightweight enough to lift comfortably, even when filled with water, which is a huge plus during long cooking sessions. While the stainless steel isn't overly thick, it strikes a good balance between durability and ease of use. Just keep in mind it's best suited for larger burners and make sure your sink is big enough for cleaning. Beyond canning, I've also used it for making stock and even dyeing materials, proving its versatility. If you're someone who loves cooking for gatherings or wants a reliable pot for everyday meals, the IMUSA stock pot is worth a look. It's built to handle a variety of recipes, from beans and lentils to sauces and pastas, while maintaining a sleek presence on your stove. No more worrying about uneven heating or flimsy handles. This pot gives you dependable performance with a polished finish. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with a stock pot that works as hard as you do? The IMUSA stainless steel stock pot offers the durability and versatility you need for large batch cooking. Try it when you're ready to bring family and friends together around a home-cooked meal that's full of flavor and made with ease.